So here we are, right beside the pond, out in front of Warnell. And you can see there's lots of these trees with this super shaggy, papery bark that is sort of anywhere from light tan to whitish to pinkish. So it's got, in there, that's almost peach color. So lots of different hues on this very shreddy, papery bark. And this is river birch. So this is Betula nigra in the Betulaceae. So we learned some stuff about the Betulaceae earlier on in lab, and that would be they have doubly serrate leaf margins, and they often have flowers and catkins. So if we go over here to the twig, you can see here is a Betula nigra leaf. So you can see it's got teeth, and then there are serrations on the teeth. So it's doubly serrate. It's almost kind of a diamond shaped, right? So the base has that wedge diamond shape. And on some of these leaves, they're a little more compact, and they do sort of resemble a diamond. But I think they're fairly unique in the way that they're shaped and the way that they're toothed. So we can also find catkins on this. So here's an old catkin that just hasn't fallen off. And then if we look, I'm gonna go out here because I think these have better catkins. Yeah, here we have the developing catkins that are going to release pollen in the spring. So you can see these are long and thin, especially if we compare them to, say, hazelnut. Hazelnuts are a lot shorter. If you want to look for the bud, it is a bright green, sort of pointy bud, so that can be helpful. But I really don't think that you need a lot of other characteristics for river birch besides the bark. So it's planted a lot as an ornamental, but if we were down at the Bach Garden in the Bottomlands or down at Whitehall in the river bottoms, you would see tons of river birch down there. And it's going to be leaning out over the rivers. That's just how it tends to grow. Okay, so that's Betula nigra.